Yeah, go ahead. It is raining.
Huh?
I mean raining, snowing. We've got a blizzard condition warning until tomorrow night at midnight. We probably are having an inch an hour or more right now. All this snow is from today so far. I don't really know how many inches there are, but there's quite a few inches already for one day of snow, and it didn't really start until like 6 o'clock. Where are you going, Benji? This is our neighbor's house.
Huh?
This is our neighbor's house. You can see how much it's actually snowing if I look right there in the light. I said you're in our neighbor's yard. Where you going? Right there you can see how deep the untouched snow is. It is now about 10 o'clock and the snow is that deep from 6 to 10, so that's 4 hours worth of snow. And I just got done clearing that sidewalk, and it's already starting to fill up again. Yeah, they're saying that the conditions are actually dangerous to be out in, especially tomorrow. There's going to be a wind chill of minus 25 to 30, I think, and more snow all the way until tomorrow evening. Okay.